Good morning, guys. Today I will explain a little. Little describes a small quantity of an uncountable noun, while few indicates a small number of a countable noun. Any one of you want to give an example with a few? Jessica. There aren't many people here. Just a few. Great example. A few means un po in Italian. Now think of an example with few. Few people like history in my class. In Italian, few means poch. Exactly. Now can you give an example with little and a little? We have a little money for this vacation. We have little time to do this exercise. Right. In the first case, a little means un po in Italian. In the second case, little means poco. For today the lesson is over. Study these topics for the next time. Goodbye. Bye, teacher.